Hey, what's up, you guys? Blu-ray Max 23 here, and this is like a sort of a let you know what's up with American Pie unrated version. This list for $14.99. Okay, I can get the focus. Okay, plus tax came out to $16.10. See the $14.99? See the 4846189? Okay. Now look at the SKU number right here. 4846189. Same as this one. See that right there in the top left corner? Okay, but online, these ones are going for $11.99. Okay, that's $3 less than what they're in store. So if you plan to buy these, make sure you have them price match it online so you can get $3 off. I don't know if many of you will buy these, but I'm gonna go back and buy all three of them now with those $9 I'm gonna save. So that's just a real quick video. Make sure you tell them to price match online because they are $11.99. See? Alright guys, take care, man. Bye.